How to download and install Avast SecureLine VPN on Android. Avast SecureLine VPN for Android devices is available for download from the Google Play Store. 1. Open Google Play Store from the app screen on your Android device and search for Avast SecureLine VPN. 2. Open a VPN proxy by Avast SecureLine, anonymous security page from the search results. 3. Tap Install, and if asked for permissions, select Accept. 4. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to start using the F5. Tap Choose a plan and follow the on-screen instructions. Avast SecureLine VPN is now installed and ready to use.